boys and girls? Welcome to Growing Guitar. First time on this channel, Jack Savoretti. We will always be the way we were. A long title there, and nevertheless a great song. So first time Jack is on this channel. I believe he's a British singer-songwriter or something like that. Anyway, let's go into this song, and you can see there in the music video it's kind of a recording in the studio, so you can pretty much see how they play and perform this song. So I will be pretty close, I believe. Let's go into it together. And we have the capo set here on the second frets. That's the absolute best scenario, and that's how they do it as well. So with that, we have a couple of chords to go over. Let's start with the chords. I'm going to start with F, which is a bar chord. So place index finger on the first fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Then we will go into the G chord, and normally we go with this. We can also use that as well later on in the song. So we're going to start with that. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E. But for the verse, it's very convenient to just slide into this position. From the F, you take the very same grip and just move it 2 frets inwards to land on this position with index finger on the third fret, and everything else follows there. Okay, that's the G. Then you continue with the A minor, and again, for this specific song, we're going to continue to slide up to this position, almost the same grip as the previous F and G. So you land with the index finger on this 5th fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 7 on A and 7 on D. Then we have this GB chord. It's just pretty much one land, one down on it. So what they do here, from this A minor, they just hit this, let's see, 7th fret E string note. Okay, so just land one down on that. We can call that GB because, yeah, that's pretty much the base of it. So that's that. Then into the C G chord. That is the C chord, but with the G note added. So it goes third E, third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, speaking of E, E minor is the next. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E. Then we have the D minor as well. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. And finally, I would like to give you this A minor. We had it before with this bar version. Now I'm going to give it with the standard grip, so to speak. It's open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. It's easier for me, I guess, to use that version here at this specific course, which we're gonna look into soon. So anyway, that's the chords. There you have it, tools for it. So let's go into the verse play. So here it's pretty much, it's hard to give you a strumming pattern. You have to kind of feel your way through there. And yeah, I'm gonna give you how to play it, and you have to listen for the timing to switch, right? You could go with, I guess, a down-up strumming, just to keep it simple. Down up is what works here, okay? But not always. You will find that out for yourself. So it goes something like this for the verse play. Okay, so you go F, then you slide into the G, pretty much one down only, and then you go on to the A minor, and stay there for as long as you play the F, and then you go into the GB, just one hit as well, and then CG, and then F. So the C, G, and F is pretty much 4 down ups each, okay? That will be one round. You play for 4 rounds, and there we have the verse play. After this first verse, you're gonna play to end the verse, okay? So it's 1 down on E minor and 1 down on F. It marks out, okay, this is the ending of the verse. Now let's go into the chorus. So I think you hit the chorus about 44 seconds in. Now it's more straightforward with the down ups, okay? So you're gonna play D minor, down up, down up, down up, down up. That means 4 rounds. Then you go into the G, and I prefer to go with this simple version of it, not the bar chord, just the simple grip. G, 4 downs. C, G, 4 downs. And F, 4 downs. That's the first half. Then the second half will be to stay on that F and play another 4 rounds. G, 4 rounds. And in this first ending, you're going to play the A minor. I prefer to go with this simple version, this just standard grip, for 8 down ups. That's the first ending. Then you're going to play again, because you're going to play this in total of 2 rounds. D minor 4, G4, C, G4, F4, F4, G4. And then the second ending now, instead of playing the A minor, you're going to play F, E, F. And repeat that again. So F, E, F. Okay? So that is the second ending. And after that, you go into the second round of everything. Now, the second verse is played exactly in the same way as the first one, but it's only for 3 rounds, not 4. And you don't have that E minor F ending before you go into the chorus. You just play the 3 rounds of the F, G, A minor, G, B, C, G, and F strumming. That's it. Okay? Then you're gonna fall into the second chorus, and it's played pretty much in the same way. The only difference there is in the second round, I believe you don't play the ending there. You stop at the G and go right into that to the bridge part. We are now about 2 minutes and 11 seconds in. So you're gonna play now, I believe it's A minor, 4 down ups, and 4 strum rounds that means, and F4 and G8. You're gonna play that part for 4 times. So A minor 4, F4, G8 4 times. And after that, you're gonna go into the D minor 4, G4, C, G4, F4, and play that part for 2 times. That's a part of the chorus. Okay? And after that, you're gonna fall into the last chorus round, the third chorus, and you play that for 1 time only, not 2, and then you end with 1 down on F, 1 down on G, and 1 down on beautiful A minor. And guess what, guys, you managed to handle We Were Always, Will We Always Be the Way We Were. We will always be the way we were. Yes, that was the title of it. I read it in the background there. It's a long title. Anyway, great song. Thank you, Jack Savoretti, for performing this for us and being on this channel. It's nice to have you here first time. And if you're a fan of him, make sure you subscribe to his channel. I believe he will be back, because I never heard him before. Now I have, and we'll look him up. So thank you for watching, guys. And if you want to support me, then I'm grateful for that. Have a nice day and play tuned.